This is RICKY, the YouTube Tech Guy. Hey guys, we are here in front of the Samsung Unpacked event a day before the event. It's going to be tomorrow at 11 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. Cannot wait to get in. Already heard a lot of fun stuff from some of the staff here that I know. So really excited to see everything. But the question is, what do you guys want us to cover tomorrow? Do you guys want us to cover one of the 3 new phones, some of the unbendable stuff? What do you guys want us to really cover? Do you guys want us to highlight certain features? Do you guys want us to do size comparisons? We have the iPhone Plus, we have the Pixel 3, we have the S9 Plus. What do you guys really want to see comparison-wise? And what do you guys want us to see in photo comparisons? Everything is pretty interesting to see what's going to happen tomorrow. But I'm pretty excited. I've gotten a lot of hints and pretty excited to see what's going to happen. Make sure you also enter in our giveaway down below because you get a chance to win, of course, an S10 from us. Thank you as always for watching. This has been RICKY, the YouTube Tech Guy. Thank you for watching our video. If you liked it, why don't you go ahead and subscribe up there. Make sure you follow us on social media right here. And of course, check out our latest video up there. And right down here, you're going to find the perfect video for you. Or at least that's what YouTube tells me. Thanks again.